In this video, I'm going to show you how to export people's professional experiences from LinkedIn to Excel in bulk. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract people's professional experiences from LinkedIn to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn profile extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the LinkedIn profile extractors page and click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Select the number of experiences to scrape. For example, 5. Paste links to people's LinkedIn profiles. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted professional experiences to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported people's professional experiences from LinkedIn, including company names, start dates, end dates, and more. Sign up on Botster, extract professional experiences using the LinkedIn profile extractor, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.